All right, guys, I wanted to take a moment and make a very special video for those of you considering the Vornado space heater unit. I wanted to show you how it works. So here's the unit itself. It's a very sleek little unit. There's not too much going on. And Vornado, they do a very good job of actually making things aesthetic. You can see we have our fan over there. These look better than most fans and space heaters, but they're still super compact. So basically, hit that power button. Then from there, you can actually dial up or down your desired temperature. And then you can also adjust the fan as well, low, medium, or high. So a lot of different cool ways. It's very simple to use, as you can see. And it's relatively quiet too. So highly recommend this unit. I think you're going, it's better than just one of those on or off space heaters. This allows you to climate control a little bit more accurately to what temperature you desire. So recommend